Well, my fellow homeless people, they found out the weather amnesty is open during the days as well, while it's cold, severe cold passes through. So we got so instead of leaving for 12-hour days, we're gonna be here 24 hours, 3 days till the storm passes. So we're fortunately here in South Bend. Well, they found out at 5 o'clock tonight. I couldn't find anything out at 2 or 3, but they found out at 5. And I'm just updating y'all. So we ain't freezing no more. We ain't gonna be out there like we're normally. They make us leave at 7:30, 7:45 until 7:30 at night. Looks like there's 3 days in here, 24 hours a day for 3 days. I think, I'm hoping, but I'm just updating y'all. Have a Merry Christmas. This is relieving to me. we didn't know nothing until 5 o'clock tonight. So I'm just updating all of y'all. Merry Christmas.